Your home's HVAC system is essential for your comfort and well-being. That's why we offer a FisherAir Maintenance Service Agreement. All manufacturers recommend this annual service, even if your system is new. With our Maintenance Service Agreement, you can get an annual tune-up to refresh your system. The Maintenance Service Agreement is one of the most cost-effective ways to ensure a safer, healthier system with increased comfort, efficiency, and reliability. FisherAir customer care is all about safety, health, comfort, and efficiency. Some of the benefits are guaranteed front-of-the-line service, 20% savings on repairs, 5-year warranty on most repairs, meets manufacturer's maintenance requirements, cleaner, healthier air, and more. And best of all, if your system should have an unexpected failure, we will come to your home and diagnose your system at no charge. Experience the peace of mind that a maintenance service agreement can bring. And keep your home comfortable all year round.